In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an internal note in Zendesk. We'll go through a simple and effective process to ensure that your Zendesk environment remains clean and professional without compromising important data. Let's get started. Firstly, if you've ever found yourself needing to correct an internal note, perhaps because the initial information was incorrect or needed clarification, adding a correcting internal note is your best course of action. To do this, you'll want to go into your comment composer and look for the option marked as an internal note. This is typically represented by a yellow color indicator, helping you distinguish it from other comment types. Once you've set your composer to internal note, proceed to add your clarifying message. You might write something like this: Internal note. Apologies, the previous instruction was incorrect. Here's the updated information. This way, everyone involved gets the corrected information and understands that the previous note had an error. When you're satisfied with the clarification you've added, the final thing you need to do here is to click Submit. This submits your new note into the system. Now, there are situations where the internal note may contain sensitive or private data that needs to be removed permanently. Zendesk offers a functionality for this called Redact, which allows for permanent removal of specific text within notes. Start by hovering over the comment you need to edit. Look for the Options menu, which is represented by 3 dots, also known as an ellipsis. Click on this Options menu and select the marked text for redaction from the drop-down choices. The next step involves highlighting the exact portion of the text you want to remove. You must be precise here, as the redact function will only remove the specific highlighted portion. After you're done highlighting the sensitive information, you'll proceed by clicking Redact. Remember, once you click this, the action is permanent, and that selected text will be removed from the internal note entirely and cannot be recovered. And there you have it, a concise yet effective way to manage correcting or removing internal notes within Zendesk. Keep in mind, when dealing with internal communications, the clarity and accuracy of information are key to smooth operations. Always take a moment to review before and after you make changes to ensure the data you present or remove serves its intended purpose. Deleting or redacting information should always be done thoughtfully, considering the implications it might have on transparency and team communication. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful for maintaining an organized and efficient workspace in Zendesk.